Hi friends, welcome to Sada Learning Hub. You are with me Shada Shara. Today's session we are going to learn the most important Java interview questions. What is nested interface? Any interface that is declared inside the interface or a class, it is known as nested interface. It is static by default. A interface we can declare within the interface or within the class that is called nested interface. The next question is, what is the difference between serializable and externalizable interfaces? Serializable is a marker interface, but externalizable is not a marker interface. When you use a serializable interface, your class is serialized automatically by default. But you can override write object method or and read object two methods to control more complex object in the serialization process. When you use the externalizable interface, you have a complete control over your class serialization process. Thus, default serialization doesn't call any class constructors. In the coming to the externalization, the public no argument constructor is required while using the externalizable interface. It's hard to analyze and modify classes structures because any changes may break the serialization. In the coming to the externalization, it's a more easy to analyze and modify the classes structures because of complete control over the serialization logic. In the serialization, mostly default serialization is easy to implement but has higher performance cost. In the externalization, serialization done using the externalizable add more responsibility to the programmer but often result is better performance. Serializable interface pass the responsibility of serialization to Java JVM and its default algorithm. Externalizable provides a control of serialization logic to the programmer to write a custom logic. This is recording about serialization and externalizable interface. The next question is, what is an interface? An interface is a description of a set of methods that conforming implementing classes must have. A interface is a description of a set of methods that conforming implementing classes must have. The next question is, can we instantiate an interface? You can't instantiate an interface directly, but you can instantiate class that implements an interface. It's not possible to instantiate of an interface. It's possible to instantiate the implementation class. The next question is, can we create an object of interface? Yes, it's always necessary to create an object of implementation for an interface. Interfaces cannot be instantiated it's in their own rights. So you must write a class that implements the interface and fulfill all the methods defined in it. It's not possible to create an object of interface. It's possible to create an implementation class object of implementation class object. The next question is, do interfaces have member variables? Interfaces may have member variables, but these are implicitly public static and final. In other words, interfaces can declare only constants, not instance variables, that are variables to all implementations and may be used as a key references for methods and arguments. Do interfaces have a member variables? Interfaces may have a member variables, but these are implicitly public static and final. In other words, Interface can declare only constants, not instance variables, that are available to all implementations and may be used as key references and references for method arguments. The next question is, what modifiers are allowed for methods in an interface? Only public and abstract modifiers are allowed for methods in interface. Only public abstract modifiers are allowed in interfaces. The next question is, what modifiers may be used with with an inner classes that is a member of an outer classes? What modifiers may be used with an inner classes and that is a member of an outer class? A inner class may be declared as a public protected private static final and abstract. It's possible to declare these things: public protected private static final and abstract. The next question is, what modifiers can be used with a local inner classes? A local inner classes may be a final abstract. A local inner classes may be a final abstract. What is the difference between inner class and nested class? Inner class, a class defined within the class, that is called inner class. Inner classes instances have access to instance members of containing classes. And coming to the nested class, a class defined within the another class is called nested class. Does not have access to instance members of containing classes. This is the regarding inner classes and nested classes.
Thank you so much watching this video. Hope this lesson helpful to you. Keep watching our lessons. Keep writing to us. Do not forget subscribe our channel Sada Learning Hub because we have many sessions that would help you to develop our skills, and I will be back soon. Till then you take care. Bye bye.